Okay. That's Connor. Connor's gonna go try and catch birds.
Kind of a bird hunter.
Yeah, he's a bird hunter now, I guess. We said we'd give him money, but chances of him catching a bird are pretty slim.
Pretty much 1 in a trillion.
Yeah.
We're doing pretty good right now.
Yeah. I mean, even if he did, that'd be pretty sweet to see.
Connor, you gotta go faster when you get over there to catch one.
The thing would probably bite him.
You gotta go fast when you get over there to catch one.
I can't zoom in.
They're looking at you.
Getting pretty close. You know what would be really funny if he got attacked. They all just started attacking him.
Minutes like first, like the movie. Like.
America's Funniest Home Video.
Yeah.
Running. Faster! Yeah, it's not working very well. Yeah, I think he gave up.
He's thinking about something else.
Catch those! He came back unsuccessful.
Not accomplished. Nothing. You're an idiot.
No bird. He's a quitter.
No bird, no $15.
And no money for Conor.
You're all washed up. Oh, sorry.